welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to earn daily income from paid work without referrals. You don't need to invite anyone to make real money. You can earn every day just by completing the right tasks on your phone. First of all, download the Paidwork app from this app store and then log in with your email or Gmail account. Paidwork gives you 4 earning options. Here is what to focus on daily surveys. Go to CPX Research, BitLabs, and your surveys. They refresh every few hours and then pay you $1 to $5 offers. Next, you guys will have to focus on the offers. Offer install apps, play games, or try free trials. These can pay $2 to $10 depending on the goal. Watching ad, lower paying but quick, perfect for filling gaps between bigger offers. Next is shopping cashback. If you shop online, earn small bonuses through paid work links. Step number 3, check multiple times a day. New offers drop 3 to 4 times daily. Check during morning, afternoon, and evening to grab the best playing tasks before they expire. Step number 4 is to keep your profile updated. Go to profile and then go to task preferences and make sure your age, interest, and location are accurate. Paid work uses this to show the highest paying offers available to you. Next, complete at least one task per day. The longer your streak, the higher your trust score, and the more consistent your daily earning becomes. Safety tip: do not use VPNs or fake data to unlock more offers. Paid work can flag or block your account. Quick fix: if income slows down, clear cache, update the app, and switch between service provider, different networks, refresh at different times. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick